eastern suburbs of Mumbai, my colleague Disha Shah sent us this ground report from Ghatkopar. Take a look at what she found.
Monsoon is here in Mumbai and the civic body BMC is gearing up for the monsoon this year. In fact, to check what's the situation on ground, we drove right through the entire eastern Mumbai stretch, right from Mulund to Sion, and what we found out is that in certain junctions there are patches of fog going on. For instance, in areas like Mulund and Ghatkopar, right now also you can see I'm standing here at Ghatkopar where you can see one stretch of the road is entirely dug up and workers are working here to ensure that the work is complete. In fact, if you remember, Magic Bricks Now had done a ground check almost 2 weeks back covering the same location, and what we had found out is that in close to 45 junctions there were road repair work that was going out, but on Monday when we did a ground check again, we found out that all that junctions have been covered and have been completed by the BMC. Now what is left is only 10 to 12 junctions, which BMC claims that they will finish within 1 week. Remember, BMC has once again extended its monsoon deadline to 25th of June. And it claims that they will finish all the monsoon related work by 25th of June, but if they fail to do so, then they say that they will be able to take all that work only post monsoon, which is from October 1st onwards. This is Disha Shah from Magic Bricks Now.
Now, Disha also caught up with the BMC corporator Rais Sheikh, who believes that Mumbai is not yet rain ready and the BMC has not done its job this year. Listen in.
So do you think that is Mumbai rain ready?
Certainly no, because the BMC this time has been not been able to mobilize the contractors or the agencies that actually do Nala Safai, which is the desilting of the nalas or filling up the potholes. So I don't see Mumbai's rain ready. We had, I think, very minimal rain this last night, and already some of our areas they've been waterlogging. So I'm sure this time it's going to be really bad. And I will request every Mumbaikar to be vigilant, to really don't take risk when you're out, because our corporation has not been able to do a good job this time in monsoon.
In terms of flood-prone areas, what work has actually been done on ground if you consider that Eastern Mumbai belt, and how much work is still pending?
See, as far as roads are concerned, yes, in the last 2 years, 95% of the roads have been reconstructed. So I'm not worried about potholes, but I'm worried about the quality of work that has been done. If the quality of the work is not good, then potholes will reappear. One. Now the question is, if at all potholes reappear, we don't have contractors to fill it. And that causes a lot of accidents. One, I would like the BMC to have a very foolproof mechanism as far as road repair is concerned. Secondly, if you're talking about nalas or major drains, the cleaning process has not been very well supervised. So I want the BMC to have a complete status check on each drain, each nala. I think 20 to 30% of the work is still pending.
In Eastern Mumbai? Okay, and pending in terms of what? Nalas?
Nalas. Mainly it is about the nalas desilting work.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/Magic Bricks Now. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/Magic Bricks Now.